with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner.
Well, temperatures are heading in the right direction now after our recent cold snap. Outside right now, not too bad, 42 degrees, winds out of the west-southwest at 9 miles per hour. Highs today were in the 50s area-wide. As warm as 60 in Harrison. Springfield, we actually had one of the cooler readings at 52 degrees, and that was thanks, I think, mostly to a lot of high cloudiness that was moving through our skies late morning into the afternoon. Looking at temperature trends here over the last 10 days, you can see we've certainly had our fair share of warmth, but we've also had our fair share of cold late last week, then that pop in temperatures on Saturday, the recent cold snap, and then we're back into the 50s and back above normal too. Average highs this time of the year in the upper 40s, and we've got a lot more 50s to come throughout this week and into this upcoming weekend. It is a quiet scene across the midsection of the country. That is the way it will stay through Wednesday. Overnight tonight, we will hold on to generally clear skies. I think tomorrow morning looking very, very bright. There'll be a little bit of high cloudiness, but as we get past lunchtime, we should see increasing high cloudiness, especially by mid to late afternoon over southwest Missouri and northern Arkansas. That won't slow temperatures down too much, though. Lows tonight, looks like eventually we settle out around freezing here in Springfield, maybe mid-30s being a bit more common to the east and south. Tomorrow, we'll see afternoon highs back in the 50s, and the same locations which flirted with or hit 60 today we'll do the same thing again tomorrow, and that's northern Arkansas. Branson looks like highs up near 60. Monette, 58. Here in Springfield, 57. And up in Raleigh, looks like about 55 degrees. Winds out of the west at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now, after Wednesday, the clouds start rolling in. Why? Because we've got another storm approaching the area, and that storm right now continues to spin off the west coast of the United States. Tomorrow, it moves onshore. On Thursday, it's approaching the area. We'll find thickening clouds. Looks like a mostly cloudy day, but there'll be a bit of sunshine in there. I think we're going to hold off the rain chances until we get into the evening hours. So looks like a threat of overnight showers. And then by Friday, that storm is into the southeast, and we will likely start the day off with clouds. In fact, it looks like it may be a little tough to clear out the clouds before lunchtime, but we should see clearing skies in the afternoon. It will be a chillier day, too, I might add. It looks like highs in the 40s after several days in a row with highs in the 50s. And we're going to be back to warmth by this weekend. Early next week, though, it looks like the jet stream is going to get into a configuration that's more favorable to delivering some bitter cold to the midsection of the country and then eventually the eastern portion of the nation. The jet stream pattern, we're going to see a big ridge develop over western Canada up into Alaska. Notice how that flow gets pretty close to the North Pole, and then it descends straight south into the lower 48, and that sort of opens the gates to some Arctic air, which will be developing here over Canada, and it allows that to ooze south into the middle of the country. Right now, it's a little early to tell whether or not it's going to be a glancing shot of Arctic air locally for us or more of a direct shot of cold air. And either which way that goes will kind of determine how cold it is. Right now, it looks like we're looking at highs in the 30s. But until then, not bad. Again, for this time of the year, when you're looking at average highs in the upper 40s and overnight lows in the upper 20s, the lows and the highs are going to be running above normal. 57 Wednesday, 57 Thursday, mid-40s on Friday. That's our chilly day, but we're back up to 57 with sunshine on Saturday. Mostly cloudy and 57 on Sunday. Slight chance for some overnight showers Sunday night. Mostly cloudy on Monday, and I think we'll be ahead of a cold front long enough on Monday to get into the 50s there. Monday evening, as that cold air is pouring into the area, though, we could see maybe a drizzle change over to a light wintry mix of freezing drizzle and snow flurries. Not expecting much out of that, and then we'll have that shot of cold on Tuesday.
But I think some people might enjoy a little shot at some flurries as we get closer to Christmas.
I know, you almost feel like you need that rush of cold
I'll
air, but
and
we're still early in the game on this winter season. So,
okay. How about our Viewers Club number?
Viewers Club number tonight, 210-699 or jackpot $200.
All right, Jamie, thank you.